嗨，大家好，今天呢要来跟各位讲一下加拿大冬天的一项运动。钓鱼是男人的浪漫，不是这种钓魚，也不是這種釣魚。
嚟啊！螺旋拋鈎法，可惡啊！我點都冇可能會再輸俾你嘅。
而是冰上釣魚啊，在冰上釣魚要注意些什麼呢？一，溫度要夠低，不然就會。第二，要有魚。在每年冬天呢，都会有鱼群顺着圣罗斯河这样回游，造成了盛大的冰钓活动。三，耐心，没错，钓鱼就是要有耐心。好了，就以下3点，让我们来看看真正的冰钓情况是什么吧。人家洞都帮我们穿好，所以我们现在先架住钓竿。好，这里有什么鱼呢？Welcome to ice fishing. I think it's okay. Do you feel the rock hit down the floor? No, hit down the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I think that will be enough. And you can like hold it like this way. So if it's balanced. So it's too heavy, so maybe.
Is that, but it's still like.
Hello. Okay, don't play. Ganbate. So we penetrate it. I think more harder. Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Oh, that's all.
You did a very good
So
job.
if the fish eat it and they will lean down. Okay. Let's go. Let's find your own park and we can go.
有些人一旦错过就不再。We are fighting dreamers。高みを目指して fighting dreamers。なりふり構わず fighting dreamers。信じるがままにJust go my way。Right here, right now。Burst like a jungle rider right here, right now。Stuck to catch a fire right here, right now. Bounce like a jungle rider right here, right now. 険しい修羅の道の中、人の地図を広げてどこへ行く？国際色の体